Hey everyone, Chris here with Metro Restyling. Today we're going to shoot this video and show you how Mfinity Coating's Nano ceramic waterless wash works for coated and non-coated surfaces. This vehicle right here has Mfinity's wrapped ceramic coating on it. It's been on for probably about 9 months now. This is my wife's vehicle. I had her drive it around in the last 45 days without a car wash. So the vehicle is dirty, but for 45 days worth of salt, snow, rain, going through dirt roads, it's not that bad. The coating is doing its job. It's repelling as much as it can. There's no such coating that's gonna just magically repel everything like a rubber band or something. You know, that's not possible. So as you can see here, the coating that's on here is doing its job. It's, you know, it's got all the drip marks showing, all the water's flying off, you know, as the car's moving. It's dirty, but 45 days dirty. So what is this? This waterless wash here is to clean your vehicle. You pretty much spray it on and you wipe it in straight paths like this or back and forth. You fold your towel in four, and what you want to do is every time your towel will get dirty, you're going to fold it over again and use a clean part. Now, we don't recommend that your whole car, you clean it with this stuff if it's this filthy. I mean, this usually requires a car wash. What this product is meant for is so, like this dirt here, if you want to come in here and check this out. You know, right here, there's not too much buildup. I mean, this is like if you got your car washed and 3-4 days went by, you got some dirt there, that's perfect. Now, can you clean the whole vehicle with this? Of course you can, but you're probably gonna go through about 8-9 towels, because the purpose of a waterless wash is you wanna take all this dirt off. You don't wanna move it around. You don't want it to swirl around. So I'm just pretty much gonna explain how this is working. It works. You put a generous amount on here. All right, we're gonna do everything in one take. I really want you to see how this performs. And I purposely believe in this product so much that I purposely told my wife to drive the car and get it this dirty, and we're gonna see if it cleans it well. So, like I said, we're gonna spray the vehicle generously. I'm only gonna probably do half this door because I want you to see the dirt. And you know what? Just to be fair, I'm gonna just go half this way. That way, you know, because it's dirtier on the bottom, and you know, I don't want no gimmicks. I wanna show it plain and simple. So let's give it a shot here. I'm gonna spray this generously on half the door. All right. Then what I'm gonna do is, in one motion, I'm gonna wipe. Getting down to the dirtier parts. And I'm gonna hit it all, even though this is getting dirty. I'm gonna hit it all in one shot like this. I didn't get any spray down here, just a little bit. So I can see dirt. There's like some grass. There's all kinds of stuff happening over here. Getting these dreams. All right, so now I'm gonna get my towel on the clean side here. Go over it one more time. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually leveling out the coating that's in here. This product has a 20% silica dioxide. Most competitive products are hovering around like 7 to 12%. So again, now I can go in different motions, because all I'm doing is I'm leveling out the ceramic coating that's in this, which is the silica dioxide. So now, took all this filth off the vehicle, and if you want to look at the door, you see the difference there. I can definitely feel how smooth, like my hand just glides from the coating on here. Now, because it was so dirty, I'm gonna go one extra step here. I'm just gonna give it a few shots. And now what I wanna do is, I wanna make sure whatever coating is in here will go ahead and penetrate and fill all those pores. So I'm gonna end up doing a cross patch pattern, which is the way you apply the standard ceramic coating. And now I'm gonna go up and down. With my towel, and then just give it one more last final buff here, just to make sure everything's level. Now this is not like a regular coating where if I left some on here, it'll leave a stain or it'll show. You know, the wrap has some scratches on it and everything. Yeah. I definitely filled all the pores now because it's even more slick than it was. So that's the Mfinity waterless wash nano ceramic coating. I just gave it about 2 to 3 months of protection. I enhanced whatever coating was on here before. Again, the vehicle was filthy. Now, common use is something like this. You know, this area right here. Just like a regular quick detailer. We'll go one motion. Fold my towel, get a dry part. Now I'm gonna level it all up. So you're going to a car show or something and your car just has some dust on it, maybe a couple water spots. That's how easy it is for less contaminated areas. Give this product a shot. I'll personally back it up with a money back guarantee. It's a great product. Have a good one.